Hello students, this is 6.5 renaming improper fractions and mixed numbers. Use models to rename improper fractions as mixed number or whole numbers. So we have this one 4/3. We need to put it as mixed number. This one is 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 and another 1/3. Altogether is 4/3. 4/3 is 4/3. It means 3/3 plus 1/3. So this one is 3/3 and 1/3. And 3/3 is same with 1/3. It becomes 1/3. This is called the mixed number. Next page. Guided practice. This one is 13/5. So 13/5 means 13/5. That means how many fifths plus how many fifths? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10/5 plus 1, 2, 3, 3/5. This 10/5 is the same with 2, right? So we can just put in here 2. And this 1, 2, 3, 3/5 is the same like 3/5 like this. So 2 plus 3/5 equals to 2 3/5. Use division to rename improper fraction as mixed number or whole number. So you need to rename it using the division rule. So how to do the division rule? Example, if the question is 7/3, then you need to really do the counting. 7 divided by 3, you get 2 and the remainder is 1. So it becomes 7/3 is 2 1/3. This is called division rule. Once more about division rule, you really count it. If the question is 7/3, you counted 7 divided by 3. The answer is 2. And then the remainder is 1. And then this 2 is as the whole number. The remainder is put as the new numerator. And the part that divides is the denominator. And then you have to do the guided practice on page 245. This one is the guided practice. 15 divided by 4. You really counted 15 divided by 4. You get 3. Right? And then the remainder is 3. Once more, this one will be the whole number. The remainder is gonna be the new numerator. And then the denominator is still 4. Next, number 3. 13 divided by 6. You really counted 13 divided by 6. You get 2, 12, and then the remainder is 1. So first, you put this as the new whole number. This is as the new denominator. And this one as the denominator. So it will become 2. This is the new numerator. And then this is the denominator over 6. Same thing with number 4. 25 divided by 5. You really count it. Same thing with number 5. 15 over 9. You really count it. And then we have another one. We call it multiplication rule. Example, if you need to rename 3/4 as an improper fraction. Step 1. Find how many fourths are in 3. In this 3. So 3/1, that is how many over 4. So you need to multiply it, right? Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. We get 12. Does it make sense? Of course it makes sense, because when you divide 12 by 4, the answer is 3, right? So these two things are the same. We just want to know how many, if it is divided by 4, will become 3. So now we find the similarities. We can just put this over here. 3 over 4, 3 plus 3 over 4. We change this to this one because they are just the same thing, right? So 12 over 4 plus 3 over 4 equals to 15 over 4. This is called multiplication rule. Why? Because we multiply and we multiply. Next is on the textbook, 247, how to get that one. Example, if it is 4, 1 over third, it's the same with step 1. Find how many thirds are in 4. So 4 is how many over third. So you just see this one, right? The denominator, and just multiply this part with the denominator and the denominator. So we get 12 over 3. Now we move this to here. 12 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Then you count to find you count it normally. 13 plus 1. 12 plus 1, right? Then you get it. And then 5 to third equals to how many? Step 1, find how many thirds are in 5. Same thing. You multiply by 3, you multiply by 3, you get the answer. You put it here, and then you add it up. Then, number 8, 3 1/5. That is 3 plus 1/5, right? Now we change this 3 into something like a fraction that is under 5. The denominator has to be 5. You multiply by 5, you multiply by 5, you get it? And then you put this over here and you plus it with this one. Number 9, same thing. 4 2/3. Step 1, find how many thirds are in 4. You multiply by 3, you multiply by 3. Why do you multiply by 3? Because the denominator is 3. When you get this answer, you add it up. And then next, number 10. 6 3/4. Step 1, find this 6. How to do that? So 6 over 1 is how many over 4? You multiply it by 4, you multiply it by 4. Why do you multiply by 4? Because the denominator is 4. You get 24 over 4. You put it here and you plus it with 3/4. Why 3/4? Because in here is 3/4. Then you plus it like normal and you get the answer. 11 1/6 over 5. This one, you need to find it. 1 is how many over 5? So you multiply it by 5, you multiply it by 5. So 1 is 5 over 5. You put 5 over 5 over here. You put 6 over 5 in here. You plus them. 3 2 over 5. So you count it. Step 1, 3 over 1. You multiply by 5. You multiply by 5. Why? Because the denominator is 5. And then you plus them like normal. And then we have, let's practice on textbook 249. 7 over 4. How to count it? You divide it like normal. And then you get the answer, right? This one will be the whole number. Remainder will go on top. And the denominator is the same. 21 over 9. So you divide it like normal. So it's 2, 18, and 3. So you put it, this is gonna be the whole number. This is gonna be the numerator. And this is gonna be the denominator. 32 divided by 12. So same like normal. Then this will be the whole number. This is gonna be the numerator. And this is gonna be the denominator. Same number 4, 12 divided by 5. And then number 5 also same, 15 divided by 5. Use the same method. And then number 6, you have to use multiplication rule. So 7 to 5th. First, find